Hi friends, a warm welcome to our channel Be Smarter. In this video, we are going to have a glance about the activities which is going to be with the basket of fruits, and for the toddlers they can learn the names of the fruits and the texture. For the school going students, they can have fun with how to improve their spellings and memory and much more. So let's get started. First, let's start with the names of fruits. Here is our fruit basket. Let's start with apple. A for apple. Apple. We have here different colors of apple with the different sizes. Let's show you one by one. The red, green, golden, and there is a smaller size. So you can see here the different apples at once. Then we can go with the next one, mandarin and orange, Valencia. So there are two types of oranges. It's loaded with vitamin C. Now let's start with the next one, banana, the small one, and there is a plantain. We hope you had seen our banana video. Then the next fruit is the king of fruits. It's none other than mango. Most favorite. Next one is avocado, which is a creamy fruit, a big seed inside. Then guava, loaded with lots of vitamin C like orange. Yes. Next, mangosteen, tastiest fruit. Then we are having plum, very soft. And we are having here kiwi, a furry fruit outside, juicy inside. Then chiku, sweetest fruit. And now we are going to see the different types of peaches. You can see there are difference in color and the shape. Then let's have a glance of next, the smallest cherries, very tasty and yummy fruit. Here you can have a glance. Most of our favorite, cherry. Then what's next in our list? Grapes, one of the most common fruits in our markets, easily available. Here we have red globe, and there are two more, green grapes and then purple. So they are different in their sizes, shapes and color too. In summer, it's a great fruit to have fresh juice. Most of the kids love it. You can see all three here. Now let's have the next. It's persimmon. Again, it's a tropical fruit which we get for seasonal. Then rambutan. It's like an ice apple. Next, pear. Then we are having like a yellowish pink pear. Lime, again citrus fruit, easily we can lemon juice. Pomegranate, most favorite for most of us. Then dragon fruit, it's quite new fruit for most of us. We can make nice salads from this. The last but not least, pineapple. Here we have done. Now let's learn how to identify for the kids. We can teach them to identify from the familiar fruits like apple, orange, banana, mango, grapes, whichever they see now and then regularly, so easily they can identify one by one. Gradually we can introduce the hardest one. Now let's learn the texture of the fruits, how we can teach to the children. When it comes for the fruits like pineapple, they can learn the texture of thorny, spiky. So whenever they touch and feel, this helps to improve their sensory nerves to activate. When it comes for apple kind of fruit, they can learn hard as well as smooth. When it comes for the fruit like peach, they can learn the spongy texture, which is like velvet texture. Then we can have this persimmon, which is silky smooth. And then these all like we can touch and feel, so they will remember even when it's blindfolded and we can ask them later on. So initially identification, then learning of the texture, then we can go ahead with the blindfolded, they can touch and identify. When it comes for plum, we can show them as it's very soft. The dragon fruit, like they can feel it's like by touching it, the shape, size and whatever like the objects it's having. Then orange, they can feel it. So later on we can blindfold and we can ask, they will enjoy as it's fun. Let's have a glance of some more fun ideas with the fruits. You can place the fruits on the table. We can ask the kids to observe for a while. It can be for 1 minute, either by oral or written. We can ask the kids to list out the fruits. When we do these kind of activities, we can think as a images in our mind, which is called pictographic memory, so we can easily recollect apple, orange, banana likewise. When it comes for writing, we can think in alphabetical order, A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry, so we can list out easily. Now we are having two kiddos to our channel who are Hadia and Fadia. We are going to have an activity with them. So now let's start with another fun activity, which is memory game. We can play with the themes. So as it's like today's one is fruits, these two kiddies are going to start the memory game. The first child is going to start with a name of fruit and the second one has to add one more. So there will be two fruits name and then 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5 likewise we are going to increase. Now let's get started. Here it starts with Hadia.
Apple. Apple orange. Apple orange banana. Apple orange banana kiwi. Apple orange banana kiwi mango. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry blueberry. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry blueberry blackberry. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry blueberry blackberry peach. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry blueberry blackberry peach cherry. Apple orange banana kiwi mango pears strawberry blueberry blackberry peach cherry gooseberry.
Yes. So here we have done with 12 fruits. Fantabulous theories, excellent. So proud of you. As learning is fun, here we have listed some more fun activities with fruits. We can ask the kids to collect only the apples. Even though they are different in colors and sizes, they can collect only the apples. So they can understand the taste of the fruit and the types of the fruits. Instead of showing the kids from only the textbooks, we can give them in real. Whenever we buy from the shops, we can ask them to take it and place it in the refrigerator and they can place it in the basket. Here we have done with the colors too. Most of the time, our system is teaching the kids how to differentiate between two things. But always we are failing to teach them how to pair with the people, how to match. So we can start with the materials like whatever the things are available at our doorstep. So here we have done. So this helps to improve the kids to learn how to improve interpersonal social relationships with the people. So here we have done with the activities, and if possible we can take the kids for the shopping. They can select which is the right fruit which they would like to have, what is their favorite fruit and all, and we can ask them to list out what all the recipes we can cook with the fruits. So this is the way we can teach them easily and interesting too. Hope you all enjoyed our session today. We are super excited to meet you in our next session. Till then, stay tuned with Be Smarter, Stay Stronger.
Bye bye.